To create an email sequence in Mailerlite, start by opening your dashboard. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial without needing a credit card. Once in your dashboard, click on Automation and then New Automation in the top right corner. You can choose to use a template or start from scratch. In this case, starting from scratch is the preferred option. Give your automation a name, and then click Start Building. The first step is to add a trigger, such as when a subscriber joins a group, clicks a link, or completes a form. For example, you can choose when a subscriber completes a form and select a specific form, like a sign-up form. After setting up the trigger, click Save. You will then see the trigger you just created, and you can add an action by clicking the plus icon. Select Email to send an instant email to subscribers. You can write and design the email as needed. If you want to delay the next email, you can set a wait time, for example, waiting 3 days. You can also set the delay to minutes, hours, or any other time frame. After setting up the delay, click Save, and then click the plus icon again to add another email. This process can be repeated as many times as needed. Additionally, you can click the plus icon and select Condition to define specific conditions for your email sequence. For instance, if a subscriber opts in for something in an email, you can choose to send a particular response, and if they don't, you can send a different one. This allows you to create complex and detailed email sequences tailored to your needs. This is a basic overview of how to create an email sequence in Mailerlite.